Hi guys, I'm Angie Mar and I'm the executive chef and owner of the Beatrice Inn in New York City, and today I'm going to be taking you into my kitchen. So today we are going to be cooking a dish that I love. When I get home, the last thing I want to do is cook something super complicated. I want to put together something that is simple, that's delicious, that's soul satisfying, and also, most importantly, doesn't take up a lot of dishes. So the dish that we're going to make for you today is a chicken with apples, bacon, and cream. Got all the ingredients, and let's go get started. Started our dish by taking an enameled cast iron pan and just heating it up medium-high heat, and just going in with 2 strips of really nice thick cut bacon. We're going to use that bacon fat to brown our chicken and our apples in, and that's really going to be the basis for the sauce. Okay, so now that our bacon is brown and where I want it to be, I'm just going to take it out of the pot. We're going to leave the stove on because I'm now going to brown our chicken thighs and legs in this same fat. I have our chicken legs and thighs here, and I have tempered them a little bit. It's something that's really important in cooking, where we leave our meats out for a little while just so they come to a little bit closer to room temperature. It makes for easier cooking, a little bit quicker and more even. I have 4 pieces of chicken legs and thighs here, which I have seasoned in salt, and I'm just going to go right into that hot pan in all of that beautiful bacon fat. It is going to take maybe about 5 to 6 minutes to sit in the pot. It's been about 6 minutes and my chicken is actually brown on all sides. So I'm going to go ahead and add our reserved bacon back into this pan. And I'm going to add some apples. It's just 1 apple, 1 Honeycrisp apple that I've cut up, and it's just going to go directly back into this cast iron skillet. You can just scatter it around anywhere. I'm going to add 5 cloves of smashed garlic. You can chop it if you want. There's no need to though. I actually really like to leave my garlic whole. Sometimes I just think it's really nice, especially when we're making a pan sauce, which this will eventually be, just to get that like nice, big, beautiful bite of garlic. I'm going to add just some herbs. And I have some rosemary and then some laurel, some fresh laurel, which I think is really nice. So I've poured the excess fat out of this pot, and now I'm going to be adding some really rich, dark chicken juice to it. And then we're going to finish it with a little bit of cream and let all of those sauces just kind of melt together, all the flavors melt together. And it's going to continue to reduce for about 15 minutes. And the chicken's going to cook through, the apples are just going to soften just a touch, and then we'll be ready to eat. Alright guys, so our chicken's been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and the sauces are delicious. Everything is just kind of melded together, but I'm going to add one last thing, which is a few cracks of black pepper, because I think anything that's like sweet and savory, especially smothered in cream, needs a little bit of black pepper just to cut through all of those flavors. So I'm going to plate this up and we'll have lunch. Alright guys, that is it. Chicken with apples, bacon, and cream. I hope you guys will try this recipe at home, and I hope that we will get to cook together again soon.